Is manifestation real? I wish when I was 18 or when I was 19, I wish somebody would have told me this thing earlier, that manifestation is real. That subconscious, that manifestation things that you have been hearing over internet, it's real. It's in life, it's not all about the hard work. A person can get 10 times good result with his hard work, but if he is not having that version to hold that result, then he will eventually end up into that same position where he was 2 years earlier, 3 years earlier. So basically what manifestation does, in manifestation what you are doing, you are actually programming yourself believing into certain kind of belief. If I think about the manifestation, what I'm doing in manifestation, I am thinking about that version and I'm telling myself that yes, this version, this X results that I want in my life, it's possible to have, and this version is having that X result. That's what I'm doing in manifestation. I'm feeling those emotions. And they say that in your conscious or subconscious, both mind, you have certain beliefs. And the subconscious mind, in conscious minds, you can reason it, you can ask question, so you are aware about those belief or those thoughts that's going on in your conscious mind. But when it comes to the subconscious mind, you are not aware about that. The subconscious minds work on autopilot. If you brought up in a family where people have been looking down onto you, they have been telling you that you can't do this, you are not eligible, or you are not able to get that X result in your life, then when you get elder, you will have this belief, that subconscious mind is so much feed up with this belief that you can't do this. But and now when you want to get that result, you can't get that. That's the subconscious minds. In subconscious minds, every emotions, every thoughts that you have been thinking about, every hearing, every things that have been hearing from the people is going to get feeded, programmed in your subconscious mind. And they say a person can't grow to the level of their subconscious mind, the beyond the level of their subconscious mind. If in your subconscious mind you are that person who can only get X result, not Y, then you are that person who you only can get that X result. Even when you want that Y, you can't get that. Why? Because you have been programmed in your mind, in your subconscious mind, that you are able to get only X result. So when you say that manifestation, when you hear people telling you that manifestation is not real, then first understand this thing. What is manifestation? In manifestation, you are building a new image. You are breaking down those limiting beliefs that you were having about yourself. That is what you are doing in manifestation. If I am doing a manifestation, what I'm doing, I'm thinking about a version after 2 years I am having X results in my life. That's what I'm doing in manifestation, right? And when you do this, what you are doing, you are programming your subconscious mind, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind. And if you reprogram your subconscious mind believing that yes, you are capable of getting that X result, then your subconscious, the moment your subconscious mind start believing that yes, you are capable of getting X result, then if you do work now, you start taking actions, the outer results start changing. Now you have raised your bar, and the reality is going to match up with that bar. And earlier when you were not doing the sub manifestation, when you were doubting the manifestation, what you were doing, you were having your bar here and you wanted the reality here. And you have forgotten one thing, that if you want the reality to be, if you want your reality to match the bar you are having, match, or you want your current situation match the reality, the bar you want in your future, then you must raise that standard. And to raise this standard, first you need to break down that earlier patterns, that earlier limiting belief. So yes, manifestation is real. If you want to get X result in your life, then you need to get the belief first that yes, you are capable of getting X result. If you can't believe that you are capable of, you can't achieve that. And to get that belief, you need to reprogram your mind. How you will reprogram your mind? By repeatedly saying some words to yourself, by repeatedly thinking, seeing yourself getting that X result. And once you start doing this, you reprogrammed your mind, and now the reality will match that bar of yours which you have stand, or which you have higher up, the higher up bar. The reality is going to match up with this. And the last, or last, or we can't say the last, but yeah, the final message of this video I want to give you is that whatever your goal is, you need to be clear about that, and you need to start seeing yourself as a person who has already achieved that goal in the life. If you can see yourself, if you can see that in your vision, then I can bet you one thing, that you can get that result too, because things happens twice. First it happens in your mind, and then it happens in the reality. So it is unedited video, and if you like this, don't forget to subscribe and join me this journey where I will share you the lessons which can actually help you grow in your life. Bye.